Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iMessage and then receive phone number loading. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to enable your iMessage and your iPhone or iPad, you see an error that is stuck on loading. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you have to close your settings app, then reopen it. After that, go to General, go to Software Update, and just try to update your software. So after updating software, you just have to simply go back from here, and you have to try to make a force restart with your iPhone. Or you can do a one more setting. Go to your settings app, go to General, go to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select reset network settings, enter the iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. So if there will be any issue with your iPhone network settings, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. So after resetting your network settings, you have to try to make a force restart with your iPhone. Now to do this, just quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone and here go to settings app, go to app section again, and here look for iMessage app or the messages app here. And you just have to try to reactivate your iMessage, or sometime it might be that your iMessage automatically activated, but if it's not activated, so you can try to reactivate it, just enable the toggle, and your iMessage will be reactivated. So it will not take more time, from almost 5 to 10 seconds to activate, and after that your issue will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix if your iMessage sender receive phone number stuck on loading. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.